This burn test was done in-house by the executives of BPMI. We did 2 separate tests on 2 separate test boards. On the left, a Fireguard plug was installed as directed into a 7-inch hole cut into 5/8-inch drywall. On the right, 2 5/8-inch drywall sheets were seamed together as instructed by state code. After 8 minutes of burning, both test boards were doing fine. After 10 minutes, the exterior paper is flaking away and flame is starting to penetrate. After 13 minutes, the seam board is starting to smoke. After 14 minutes, the Fireguard plug started to smoke, then expanded, sealing off any gaps. After 16 minutes, flames can be seen coming through the seam board.
Yeah, it's way over what it measures.
2 minutes after, at 18 minutes into the burn, flames can be seen coming through the plug repair. Under the same conditions and heat temperatures, the Fireguard plug exceeded the burn time of the seam board by approximately 2 minutes. The Fireguard plug: fix drywall with real drywall and maintain the fire rating in firewalls.